I heard your cries for help. Oh my God, it's so expensive. Who could pay $300 for a 1440p monitor? You're crazy. I heard it. I heard it when you said, that's way out of my price range, but I love your spirit. Stop showing me good stuff I can't afford. Hold on, there's another one. IDK, if my PC could even handle that refresh rate. LMAO. And I decided to go on a journey to find the cheapest 1440p monitor. So I found one for $100. And it's here. It's right over here. Onto the unboxing. Wait, let's do like some kind of sick transition. Onto the unboxing. That's a chunky boy. Okay, that was so easy. That's it. Monitor stand on. No tools required. I haven't used the tool yet. Got power here. We got 2 HDMIs, 1 display port, and an audio jack. All right, now we're going to get it on up and running for the first time, plug the cables in and whatnot, and then we will take a look at it, watch some videos, and then start gaming. Okay, 1440p. Let me take an actual look at this thing. I've never plugged a 1440p monitor into my computer, ever. My PC is not struggling yet, so that's good. That's a plus. Oh, like my icons for my desktop are just so much sharper. Like my icons are really small. Look at the difference, like in the size of the icons. Look at how blown up this one is compared to over here. You could fit 10 icons on this screen. All right. Probably boring and I'm yapping, but how many icons can you fit on here? 13. 14. You could fit 4 more rows of icons. Wow. I mean, just like looking at the panel, I'm not like seeing any dead pixels with like the bezel. Like it's definitely plastic. But like, who's throwing their monitor around? You just like put it together, stick it on your desk, and then you don't have to worry about it anymore. So I don't really see the obsession with like a aluminum bezel or like something crazy on a monitor. Or the bezel, if you don't know, is like the case around the actual screen, like the body of the monitor. It's called the bezel. And the stand on it, it can also do some of this or, you know, some of that. Not really seeing any problems yet. Let's open up the menu. Okay, so it's got OSD, you got your regular color stuff. Looks like we're in wide because it's 27-inch. Eco DCR. I don't know what DCR is. What is DCR? Hold on, let me look that up. Dynamic contrast ratio. A monitor setting that adjusts the backlight to improve the contrast between light and dark areas in the screen. Okay. So it's like not HDR. It's like their little, I guess, kind of equivalent. 1440p, baby. Oh. Wow. Holy crap. Whoa. That's like real life. Yo. Oh my god. That actually looks really... Especially like you could see like the little flecks in the water with the ant. What the... Fish. Nice. Lovely. Yeah, look at that. I can't even describe how good that looks. Whoa. Dude, my PC is going to break trying to game on this thing. 1440p is so nice. Yeah, I'm using this now. See you later, Asus. You trash. ViewEdge, new monitor king. $100 for this, bro. And my computer is still working. That looks like AI. Is that AI? The details of it are moving too much. Look at that guy. Look at that little guy. All right. So now we are going to, I don't know, we'll just play a quick game on here and we'll be out of here.
Game starts in 5, 4, 3,
Here we go.
2,
Let's lock in this time. We can lock in this time. My sense is weird because I'm not used to playing at 1440. I have like my stuff very dialed in for 1080. And I'm playing at this weird angle. I'm making excuses, but at the end of the day...
Gain the lead.
I just be missing my shots, dog.
Lost the lead. Tied the leader.
Oh my god, I'm missing every bullet. Nobody watch that. Chill. Oh! I mean, I respect that push. I respect that push. I gotta win this. I gotta win this for the fans. Nice.
Double kill.
Nice.
Tied the leader. Lost the lead. Tied the leader. Gain the lead. Lost the lead.
Bro, what is the melee button? I am getting my feelings hurt right now. Don't they know this is for a YouTube video? Chill, bro. Hey, relax. It wasn't me. I was just kidding. Chill. Where? Above me? Oh my god. I am getting cooked. Let's go. Oh, whack. Whoa. Oh, that guy just clipped. Whoa. That was like 30 seconds before he killed me. Why did he even show that? Cringe.
Game over.
Well, that was Splitgate 1440p. Clearly need to dial in my settings. I swear I'm not usually this bad. Okay, that was the $100 1440p monitor, the cheapest one I could find. You know, the higher refresh rate you go, the more you gotta spend. You want to dip your feet into the 1440p market, this is a great place to start. If you have a bad PC and you want to try 1440p for yourself, you could always start out with this thing. But it works. It's playable. It's not laggy. It works. Maybe not the highest FPS that you could ask for that I'm used to with gaming at 1080, but the detail and stuff that is available and the things that you can see, just more pixels available. Check it out in the link in description. Definitely buy. Highly recommend. I see no issue. All right. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash like. If you like more tech reviews, that's sick because I got a lot of cool stuff coming in for you. Make sure to check out this playlist, my tech review playlist right here. And probably a super sick video that you could just watch here that's probably somewhat related to this video. All right. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Subscribe.